Hi children, today we are going to discuss some question answers from our textbook page number 20. I request you to open your textbook page number 20. See, second activity. Already we have done first activity, right? Answer these questions. We have already done it. And next activity, read the given extract and answer the question with reference to the context. See, there are two extracts are given. Based on that there are four question answers are there. You have to answer for it. Okay, see, first one, children don't forget there are elves and fairies yet where the naughty hawthorn grows. Look for prints of fairy toes where the grassy rings are green. Moonlight dances shall be seen. This is the first extract. See, what is the question? Where does the poet ask to look for prints of fairy toes? Here poet is asking to look for the prints of fairy toes. Look for the footprint, right? Where does the footprint, where it is, what the poet is saying? See, the poet asked to look for prints of fairy toes where the naughty hawthorn grows. Where the naughty hawthorns are growing, there children has to look for the prints of fairy toes. Right. What is the answer? The poet asked to look for prints of fairy toes where the naughty hawthorn grows. Where the naughty hawthorn grows. That is the answer. And second one, where shall the moonlight dances be seen? Where shall the moonlight dances be seen? See, where the grassy rings are green, moonlight dances shall be seen. Where we can see moonlight dance? We can see where the grassy rings are green. What is the answer? See, the moonlight dances shall be seen where the grassy rings are green. Right, that is the answer. See the second extract. Watch and wait, oh lucky you. If you find a fairy shoe, for a ransom he will pay. Hobbling barefoot all the day, lay it on a mushroom seat. Wish your wish and go your way. If your wish should be discreet, never fear, but he will pay. This is the second extract. Right. What does a poet tell you to do if you find a fairy shoe? What is the poet telling? If you find a fairy shoe, what the children should do? They have to keep on the mushroom seed. Right. See, what is the answer? If we find a fairy shoe, the poet asks us to lay it on a mushroom seed. We have to keep it on a mushroom seed. Right. See the second question. Why does the poet say to keep your wish discreet? Poet is saying to keep our wish secret, right? You think something, wish in your mind, and you keep the fairy shoe on that mushroom seed. Like that only poet said. And poet said your wish, what you are thinking in your mind, that wish should be secret. Why does the poet say your wish should be discreet? What is the answer? The poet says to keep our wish secret because only then will we be paid ransom for the shoe. If you are keeping your wish secret, what you thought in your mind, that wish, no, if you are keeping your wish secret, then only you will get the ransom for the shoe. Then only you will get the ransom for the shoe from the fairies or small men, what we call elves. From the elves, if you are keeping your wish secret, then you will get the ransom from the elves. That is the answer. See these answers I will send along with this video. You have to copy it in your notebook, and you should copy these lines also. These extract also you have to write, and question and answers. Everything you have to copy from the textbook. Okay, this extract and questions also. Okay, answer I will send along with video, and write it neatly and correctly and send me a photo. Okay.